Did you prepare your heart to intercede for Christians around you when it comes up during the year why they did not celebrate Christmas? Equip yourself to respond to believers who did not celebrate Christmas. If you have not listened to the video, here is a breakdown to click on the link at the end of this video. And if you have already seen the video, here is a recap. I described 2 Christmas events orchestrated by God that impacted my belief. I pointed out the birth date of Jesus based on the birth of John the Baptist. Also quoted Ephesians 4 verse 2, what God gave me, to identify what is going on with me. Where do the voices come from that confuse us about the church's mission to honor the birth of Jesus? Quote Luke 2 verse 13 and 14, showing God's intention and intervention. Quoted Matthew 2 verse 10 to 11 to point out how the church are foreshadowed with the wise man. Quoted Luke 1 verse 45 about a blessing made to Mary and how Mary had to adapt to God's plan. Points to what we are to adapt to in church history. I also share a testimony how I heard of a pastor encouraging its members not to celebrate Christmas because it is a pagan tradition, and I share a prophecy to such a pastor. Click on the video to hear from God what your posture ought to be towards believers that are confused about God's heart for Christmas celebrations. May the Lord bless you and keep you, protect you, sustain you, and guard you.